With the naan and the onion, 9.5.
9.5. Okay guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are here at Patna Kabab House. Patna is a place in Bihar in India. So they are known for their Bihari kebab, for their halim, for their nihari, and it's 100% halal. And they get their meat from Corsetti and their chicken from Sergeant Farms and in affiliation with Al Amin Halal Poultry. So we're gonna go inside today and see what their food gives us today, inshallah. Let's go inside. So we're going inside now, and we're here. So
Hey, assalamu alaikum.
Allahu Akbar, brother. Where I came to place my order for this vlog, and
Yeah, I decided to jump in and I decided to basically start giving the guy
how did you know I'm
instructions.
even coming here today?
Yeah, I know, but you know, I just know.
Brother, we gotta sit down and talk, okay? Let's have a talk over the review right now and see how come you end up following me every time.
It's food. I follow the food.
Do you have a special Jane or someone who informs you where I'm going?
Astaghfirullah, man, come on. You know, I just released the newest video, Halal Investments and the Mortgages.
Yeah.
And I got so tired from that, I got burnt out. I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and jump into a review
Okay,
with
bro,
you.
so you ready for the review then?
Absolutely. I was just giving the guy instructions right now. I was telling him, yo, make sure it's fresh, you know, give us some
How do you
nihari.
know I'm gonna do this today?
I'm not telling you.
Okay, let's keep it a secret.
So, what are we having today?
You tell me, bro.
Okay, one thing is, you have to stop me from drinking Coke. It's
Halas.
bad for you.
No Coke for you.
Yeah, and now I regret asking you that
Then
question.
Sprite or 7-Up works or ginger ale?
No, bro, soda is bad. I can't have any sugar. That's just it, right?
Okay,
but,
bro.
But I'm so tempted because, you know, nihari and halim and, you know, what can you do, right?
That's what you ordered today, nihari,
Okay,
halim.
so about that, I told the guy, give us some biryani, some halim, some nihari, and the guy added some chana and whatnot, but I'm gonna basically go over everything. I told him make it completely fresh, you know, I wanted to see, oh, and bihari kebab. So, if it's smoking well, if it tastes good, if it's got that, you know, desi kick to it with the green chili peppers that we all know and love, because I'm from Karachi, then yeah, we're gonna go for it, and we're gonna see how it turns out, okay? Awesome, it looks so delicious. Okay.
You call this Habibi, Habibi.
Okay, what do you got? We got bihari kebab, we got halim, we got nihari, and we got some chana or something.
Lahori chana.
Lahori chana. Okay, that's important.
You can hear this right here. They're known for their biharis, halim, and lahori chana. Niharis, they're all signature dish, famous, but we're still gonna give a review on this today.
I'll be the judge of that.
You're gonna be the judge?
Yeah, I'm gonna be the judge. I'm gonna go grab a bowl, okay? Because
Okay.
I don't want to eat in the same. Okay, I am fighting myself to let Shaykh Nabil go first, and yeah, so he's basically positioning himself right now, like his commentary on food. All right, Shaykh Nabil, we're gonna try first.
Everything's slipping. Wait 1 second. Are we videoing this?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, fine.
Are we videoing this? We're gonna include this in there. I'm all about being completely organic.
Okay, I just want to be tasting this first. The
Okay.
bihari kebab. There's
Let me back up a little bit.
Bismillah.
We're having to try food outside because of COVID.
Yes.
You guys gotta love his commitment. He's actually wanting to do this right outside. He's not even letting COVID-19 stop him. Okay, how's it?
Nice salty taste. It's good. Nice spices.
Uh-huh.
I would rate this 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
No.
Okay, maybe you should take a second bite and tell me.
Maybe after I take their signature dish nihari.
Okay, go for it.
It's dripping too much, but
It's all good. Nihari good?
9 out of 10.
Purpose. What? What?
Actually, I've had better nihari than this, like homemade nihari.
Okay.
But outside nihari, 9 out of 10 out of all nihari, 9 out of 10.
Okay. Honest experience comparing it to homemade. Give me your number.
9 out of 10.
All right, 9 out of 10 it is.
Lahori chana. 10 out of 10.
That you're pretty quick. Okay, all right,
I'm
go.
not gonna eat it, but
Halim, let's go. He's trying to make sure that he eats faster
Lahori
while it's
chana
warm.
again.
Lahori chana again. All right, let's do it.
Nice, spicy. And you know what's the sign of being it nice?
Uh-huh.
Because I'm gonna have hiccups anytime soon right now.
You get hiccups because
When
something
it's
is.
a little spicy, yeah. I'm gonna like it.
You're the weirdest Pakistani I've ever met.
I don't know, bro. Now,
Last time you choked at the chicken wings. Oh, Halim. All right, go for it.
Halim, I would rate it out of 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. How's the naan?
Naans are good.
Naans are good?
9.5.
9.5.
Let's go back with Bihari again. Ali was shocked why I rated it 9 out of 10. But Bismillah. 9 out of 10.
No, it is not changing. Okay. All right, you're good. You're good.
What's the rush, man? Come on.
It's cold, and I really wanted to, eat it when it's nice and hot.
Okay, what are you going? What are you going first? Okay, let's go Bihari first.
Bihari, right?
Bihari, bro.
Okay. Just gonna grab this little tiny.
Let's see how big of a Bihari you take.
Bro. Smoky.
Yes.
Spicy.
Yes.
It's good.
Yes.
A little bit hard.
Yeah. What would you rate it out of?
Try it with onion. One sec. Mmm. With the naan and the onion, 9.5.
9.5. Okay. So what's your second bite
That
going
was
to
awesome. The naan is really good.
Yes.
The naan connected well with the onion and the Bihari kebab. Okay.
be? Lahori chana.
Lahori chana.
I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, but let's see what Ali says today.
Oh man.
See, I told you, man. Honest reviews
No
by
way.
Shaykh Nabil.
No way. 10.
See, I told you,
No
bro.
way.
I told you, man.
It's better than the chana you get in Pakistan, bro.
And there you go. Mr. Ali Tunyu takes a second bite also now.
I couldn't help it.
So I don't know. You haven't tasted the Halim and Nihari yet, but I would definitely say that you're gonna rate the
I
chana.
could be busy with that.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
could be busy with that. Like, that chana kick?
Yeah.
Like that thing that, oh man, that was awesome.
Why don't we try your favorite first with a spoon of Halim if you want?
Okay, just one more sec.
Oh, Allahu Akbar. Okay, guys, this is overrated now. Overrated.
It's the right stuff.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know how to describe it. It's the right stuff. Okay, look. I don't really like too much naans with Nihari or Halim. Nihari more so, but I'm gonna take a little bit of Halim. Oh, thank God it's nice and smoky. All right, here we go. Spoon test. Man, it's not one of those lame Halims you buy at those halal takeout restaurants that I'm not gonna name by destroying their reputation right now, okay?
So what are you gonna rate this out of?
I took a ginger, so I can't rate it. One sec. Consistency 10. Taste 10. Spice 10. You know what you need? A topping of green chilies.
So overall rating?
That's a personal preference though. Bro, somebody might be like, you're giving too much tens, but okay, I'll give it 9.5.
9.5.
Because I've tasted better Halim in Pakistan, but that's like a good class restaurant.
Okay, bro.
But bro, like that is good. Ready for the nihari? Oh no!
Oh,
Little bit
you're
of
mixing
nihari
the
got mixed with the
Nihari.
Halim. Some guy must be going like blasphemy. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something gross. Well, it's not really gross. It's just something that you might find gross. Mixing Halim with biryani.
Yes, sir. Many have heard of it. I've heard it. It's not gross. People love it.
Oh, I thought so.
I think that's one of the most special dishes in Karachi now.
I'm glad that you're on board with that.
Not me, but my brother-in-law. He's on board, and technically, honestly, he's Sindhi also.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum Sai. Awa Sindhi aaya. Awa Sindhi ka naam to.
So he loves that combo.
Okay. 10, 11.
11.
Done.
Wow, ji, wow.
Done.
Wow.
I'm gonna try a little bit of the meat. I want to separate it. Okay. You know, the naan really connects everything very well.
Yes.
Probably take a bigger piece, but break this off. It's creamy on the outside, creamy on the inside. It's gravy. It's delicious. You could make nihari poutine fries with this.
Wow, ji. That's a new invention. Inshallah, we're gonna
No, they
have
sell
in
that
our
Saga.
restaurant.
They sell that in Saga all the time.
They
But
have
this
it.
is delicious. This is
So we have the chef here, Chef Adnan. Assalamu alaikum, brother Adnan. How are you? So I think we tasted the food, and you know the chana, Lahori chana you have, we rated that over everything.
Thank you so
It's
much.
overrated now, the chana.
Thank you so much.
How long is this restaurant been here?
We've been here since last 13 or 14 years, yeah.
So do you have any other locations?
Yeah, we have just recently opened another location in Mississauga.
Oh, yeah, that's official Patna Kabab location.
Official
Do you know the
Patna Kabab
intersection?
location. It's Kothra and Queensway.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. And any other locations besides that?
Now, these are the two locations, the one in Scarborough and one in Mississauga.
Okay, and what about like the meat, chicken you guys have?
Well, we have our own meat store. It's called Patna Halal Meat, and it's also like close by at pharmacy and Lawrence location. So we get all of our meats from our own meat store. We are like wholesalers too. So we get our meats from Sergeant Farms, the chicken and Medina Halal meat, and from Corsetti.
Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair. It was nice being here.
Thank you
And
so
we
much.
enjoyed it and we loved the food.
Thank you so much.
all right, Shaykh Nabil. What are we showing? What am I showing here?
So you're showing their Patna Kabab halal meat. That side right there is the Patna restaurant where we just came from.
Okay.
Behind me is their halal meat store.
I
This is
see.
where they get meat from, and we've mentioned twice now, meat from Corsetti, chicken from Sergeant Farms and Alamin. So forget all that. People want to know the promo code. So our new promo code is NASA015. Starting tomorrow, you come here and you get Halim. Halim is very good. Or their Lahori Chana, you get 10% off. What else do you want?
Your
And enjoy and
your,
have
your, your,
fun.
your promo code is NASA.
NASA015.
Okay, just remember everyone, NASA015. Got
Yes,
it.
sir. And
Awesome.
see you on the next vlog with Ali Tunio. Assalamu alaikum.
Inshallah, inshallah.